I had a fun little discussion with some friends recently about what does it mean to be sentient. Now, apparently, that a Google engineer is claiming that Lambda is sentient, and some group is saying that octopi are no longer edible because they're sentient. What does it mean to be sentient? And we looked it up, and it appears to mean that you're cognizant of the environment around you and you can interact with it. But if that's the case, I mean, even plants do that, right? The trees, they grow to where the light is. The roots, they grow to where the soil is, right? They don't grow into rocks, or they'll avoid those, and they'll grow to ways that they can maximize their growth. And so they're interacting with their environment. They know where the light is. They know where the water is. And so even bacteria do that, right? They reproduce. They defend themselves. They prey. They get food. So what does it mean to be sentient? We didn't really come up with a really good answer that we all felt good with, but we did come up with something I thought was rather profound to share with you. And I'd love to hear what you think about sentience. What does it mean, right? For that artificial intelligence to fool somebody, I use the word fool, to fool somebody to think that it's sentient when it's really just big data acting in a way that can be interactive through an artificial intelligence computer program. And then, the difference between that and our neural net up here. Anyway, the thing that was profound was the question of what is it that actually discriminates us then? And it came down to this. This is the way that I took it. If you ask the question how things work the way that they do, that gives birth to science. If you ask the question why are things this way? Why? That gives birth to religion and philosophy and spirituality. And it would be that discriminator right there, that humans are able to ask why. Why are things the way that they are? Why is it that we feel that we believe that there is agency, that we live on when we die, or that there is such thing as a spiritual realm and so forth? Why do we exist? Why does the universe exist? Those things. That is the part that I thought was the most profound argument for the discriminator between human sentience and any other kind of sentience that we would consider a lower life form, like animals, invertebrates, those kinds of things. So please chime in and let's have a conversation. Thanks.